How to fix Barclays app not working. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can fix your Barclays app not working. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. So depending on which app you're using for Barley, that is the private bank or the corporate app, whichever you're using, the fixes are basically the same. First, you'll need to check for your Wi-Fi connection. Make sure you're connected to the internet. And after doing that, you can then try and open up the Barclays app again. So make sure that the network is not the issue here. And after establishing the connection and everything, you can then move on with opening the app and trying to use it. If the issue still persists, open up your settings, head over to your iPhone storage. To head to iPhone storage, first open up your settings, go to General, then go to iPhone storage right here. Now search for Barclays. Now simply offload the app by tapping on Offload app and then confirming it, and then reinstall the app. That will clear out the cache in your Barclays app, and that should fix your problem. If it doesn't, you can simply uninstall the app whenever you want. Tap on Delete app, confirm it, and delete the app, and then reinstall it from your app store. And that should fix the issue. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.